Home Remedies presents. This plant is called God's gift. Simple and easy remedy. Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon and good evening to all my viewers. Hope you all are in good health. I am Rabia and in today's video I am going to tell you about a plant that has numerous health benefits for the body, and it is also called as God's gift because it can treat almost 100 diseases. So be with me and watch the video till the end to get complete information. So without any more wait, let's start. Tree spinach is a fast-growing shrub that is believed to have originated in Mexico and spread worldwide. It is a leafy vegetable also known as chaya, which is similar to spinach and apparently can do some pretty fantastic things. Health benefits of chaya. Many people believe that this plant can cure almost 100 diseases due to its numerous health benefits to the body. It can treat asthma, anemia, sore throat, infections, headaches, kidney and liver diseases. It can prevent hemorrhoids, varicose veins, osteoporosis, and other serious diseases due to aging and environmental effects. It can also regulate cholesterol levels, uric acid, blood sugar levels, balance metabolic system and helps children growth. Chaya leaves can also enhance the health of the eye, cognitive ability, boost the immune system and many other health benefits. Once an older lady was dealing with a cyst in her right breast and tried numerous treatments, but none of them had worked until she tried chaya. Only 3 days later, she started feeling much better, and amazingly and eventually after 3 months, her cyst disappeared completely. Even though this sounds unbelievable, you better believe it's because chaya can treat almost all conditions. How to use chaya? Wash chaya leaves and boil in water over medium-high heat. Simmer for 15 to 20 minutes. The chaya leaves will keep their bright green color. Remove from pot. Drain and chop to cook or use it as a spice in salads, soups, or you can use it as a tea. Now I will tell you the recipe on how to make chaya tea to reap the health benefits of this incredible shrub. Ingredients: 6 chaya leaves, 2 cups of water. Directions: boil the water and the most important thing is to wash the leaves well, then add the leaves to water. Let this simmer for about 10 minutes and your tea is ready. For optimal results, drink your chaya tea 3 times a day before your meals. Recommendations: about 25 grams of tree spinach are enough to meet the daily requirement of a person's vitamin intake. Remember, you should never consume it raw, as it can be toxic. If you liked the video and found it informative and helpful, click the like button and subscribe to my channel for new videos daily. Don't forget to press the bell icon to be notified whenever I publish a new video. Share on your social networks to help others benefit from it too. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.